Hello and welcome to this course. Now, at the time of recording this course, Power BI has released the so-called new on-object interaction with Power BI visuals. Now, just in case this feature is not enabled for you, then you can easily do this by simply, let's close this, open Power BI, go to File, and under File, under Options and Settings, go to Options, and under Options, go to the Preview features, which you can find here. And then you can enable the so-called on-object interaction, this one here. After checking this box, you have to restart Power BI, and then you see exactly the new interface. It might also be the case that this is already available for you and not in preview anymore. Then you don't have to do anything. But just in case you have not enabled it yet and you want to have the latest interface, go there, check the box, click OK, restart Power BI, and then let's get started with the course.